Catabolism of heme. Catabolism of heme is an important process because it is related to a disease generally called as jaundice that is characterized by yellowish skin, eye and other tissues. So the heme catabolism produces the bile pigments, bilirubin and biliverdin. This process occurs due to hemolysis. Hemoglobin is the major protein of red blood cells and it is estimated that about 1 to 2 into 10 to the power 8 molecule of hemoglobin red blood cells destroyed per day. It means that if a man which are 70 kilogram turn over 6 gram of hemoglobin per day. Hemoglobin contains heme and globin. Heme and globin. Globin is actually a protein which is degraded to their amino acid constituent heme. Heme is degraded and contains two parts, iron plus porphyrin. Iron goes to their iron pool, whereas the heme is degraded by the heme oxygenase system of the liver. So heme first converted into biliverdin IX alpha, that is the greenish yellow pigment and which is produced by heme by the enzyme heme oxygenase. Heme oxygenase generally is a mixed function oxidase constituent, and this degradation release ferrous ion into ferric form, and this process occurs in the reticuloendothelial cells, spleen and other cells. CO, carbon monoxide, is also produced in this process, which are released or exhaled. Biliverdin IX alpha is reduced into bilirubin IX alpha by the enzyme reductase. Biliverdin IX alpha reductase. So this bilirubin uptaken by the liver by a process which is known as facilitated type of the transport. Liver takes some bilirubin and the conjugation process occurs in which the enzyme glucuronosyl transferase. This enzyme adds glucuronic acid to the bilirubin, and this has a biological importance because in nature bilirubin is a non-polar compound and which are extremely insoluble. So by the addition of glucuronic acid it is converted into polar compound and then it is secreted in the bile. So conjugation is an important process and it occurs in the liver. If there is any difficulty in the liver, any dysfunction of the liver, complication of the liver, then this process is checked and unconjugated bile is released into the tissue, such as normally in physiological condition heme is degraded, bilirubin is produced, uptaken by the liver, conjugated and secretes in the bile. But in abnormal condition, when the hemolytic process is rapid and liver conjugation process is slow due to the complication in the liver, then the bile pigments are released into the tissue, and if their level increases from 2 mg to 2.5 mg per deciliter, then the yellowish skin and yellowy eyes appears, and this condition is called jaundice. There are several other conditions which are associated and non-conjugated bile is secreted and observed in the serum or blood and their level is increased. This is due to Gilbert syndrome, neonatal jaundice. Neonatal jaundice in which the hemolytic process is rapid, but there is less developed hepatic system. So the bilirubin is not conjugated and they are released in the tissue and causes the neonatal jaundice. There is Crigler-Najjar syndrome, toxic jaundice, and these are all associated with the elevated level of unconjugated bilirubin in the blood. So this is the process by which in the blood bilirubin may conjugate with the bilialbumin. So it is a type of covalent, but its process occurs in very less. So the major process which are processed in the liver is the conjugation of the bilirubin with the glucuronic acid, and the conjugated bile is released. But if the liver has some problems, hepatitis or other type of diseases which affect the normal activity of the liver, then the conjugation process becomes checked and the unconjugated bile, non-conjugated bilirubin is elevated in the blood. Some disease such as Rotor syndrome is associated with the obstruction in the bile duct. So if the bile duct is obstructed, then the conjugated bile is observed in the blood. So this is the difference between this disease and this type of other Gilbert syndrome, neonatal jaundice, toxic jaundice, and Crigler-Najjar syndrome. In these diseases, the level of unconjugated bilirubin is increased in the blood because this is due to the dysfunction or complication in the liver. But in Rotor syndrome, liver functions normally, but there is the obstruction in the bile duct, so conjugated bilirubin is released and this causes the jaundice. So there are the jaundice which has the symptoms that the yellowish skin and yellowish eye due to the high level of bilirubin IX alpha, which is yellow in color. So the catabolism of the porphyrin is related to the jaundice.